Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz. 2012 Mercedes-Benz C 250, style, performance, and efficiency in one. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C 250, a stunning ride powered by a 1.8L turbo i4 engine with 201 HP and 229 pound-feet of torque, giving you exhilarating performance without the speeding ticket worry. The eye-catching Mars red exterior ensures you stand out, while the luxurious Sahara Beige and Black leather interior offers a perfect blend of style and comfort. With less than 94,000 miles, under 8,000 miles/year, this car has been carefully pampered. Enjoy impressive fuel efficiency with 21 mpg city/31 mpg highway, and drive with confidence knowing it comes with a clean Carfax and is in excellent condition. Don't miss out on the perfect combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. Come test drive this beauty today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.